Okay, so before we jump into this flawless install, I want to talk about this fake scalp wig that you guys are looking at. Basically, a fake scalp wig is where a wig company applies a fabric to their HD lace and they make it look like scalp. Hairvivi is excellent when doing this type of technique. I also like that Hairvivi does come with an elastic band. This band is thick and it is adjustable, as you guys can see. And as you guys can see, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline as well, and the HD lace blends into my skin so good. Like, can you even see the lace right now? And it's not even glued or sprayed or nothing, honey. It just sits on my head so nice. Also, I love the simple fact that they nailed this fake scalp look, because often companies will try this technique and you can definitely see the fabric of where it starts and where it ends. But as you guys can see, Hairvivi has executed this to the point where you cannot see where the fake scalp starts. So of course I'm just going to go ahead and work on this hairline and show you guys what this wig looks like. So I really wasn't feeling the side part, so I decided to do a middle part, and y'all, look at how smooth and flat this hair is. And mind you, I have not secured this wig at all. Like, look at that. This is so nice. This is going to be a wig that's going to stay on for a couple of days, that's for sure. So I love that I can swoop my baby hairs into the hairline and it still looks like scalp. Sometimes when companies try this whole fake scalp wig method, when you try to blend your baby hairs into the hairline, you can actually see the fabric. So I love that Hairvivi chose the right fabric. It was thin and enough of the hair was plucked to give a natural look and to also get that scalp look when it comes to blending in your baby hairs. Good job, Hairvivi, as always. Oh, this wig is so pretty. Look at this hairline. Oh my God, this is so nice. And I did not have to bleach. I did not have to pluck. Girl, I did not have to do nothing to this hairline. I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer just to define the parting space just a little bit, but as you guys just saw, like I didn't even have to do what I'm doing right now. It's just a habit. But y'all, this is a wig you definitely want to get your hands on, and I'm so happy that I have it in this length and this texture. Now this wig does have some bomb layers in it, but I couldn't get the layers to really come all the way out in this wig, so I just did like a deep bump to try to get the curls to come out. I mean, try to get the layers to come out just a little bit more. But girl, this is a nice wig, and I love, look at that, look at that. Nice, nice. Love the length, love the texture, love everything about this wig. This is definitely a wig you want to have in your collection. Anything from Hairvivi is always a go. Absolutely. So all of the information will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye.